many camels. Which one is your favorite, Marga? Those are nice. Oh, is that a flag on top or what? Cuties. Look. Oh wow, I love these. Look at those. Yes. Hmm? Yes. Marco, like it? Oh, wow. Guys, see the Marquito? It's so beautiful, right? Wow, it's so nice here. I love this place.
How did I match with the front?
Yes, you did, imagine.
Doing it matches.
Yes.
You belong right there. You belong right there.
Look. Woohoo!
Saw a fish.
There is fish here? Oh, very fun. Guys, let's go and explore some more. There's so many things to see. It's so beautiful. So stay with us. Woohoo! You want to take a picture or you just want to play? A beautiful private pool here. And the view of Burj Al Arab. It's amazing, guys. It is the beautiful beach. Oh wow. So, someone is in a mood to patrol
I can't sit.
the beach.
I can't sit.
Why?
It's all dirty with sand.
Oh, that's fine. It's the beach. It's okay.
Does it look interesting?
Yes. The weather is perfect at night. Perfect is also this view. Marca? Yes. Walking on the beach at night with the sea and with this wonderful view. You can see the only 7-star hotel behind me, Burj Al Arab. So this is the only hotel in the world who deserves 7 stars. Here at Jumeirah Beach Hotel, after the dinner, I found my kind of car. I wanted to show it to you guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh! It's just amazing. Rolls Royce. What do you think about the Rolls Royce? Do you like it? Oh, I love it. Pink is my favorite color, so Rolls Royce and pink is my thing. My thing in Dubai. Look at this, it's beautiful. come with the buggy. Get ready for exciting